welcome to the channel. Today we are revealing our first products for the box of the month for May. So our release is on May 1st, 9 a.m. Central Time, and I'm really excited about the May products. So the box is going to be called Tutti Frutti, and I can't wait to show you all the products. I wish I could show you all the things right now, including our paper pad subscription. So we will be having our patriotic inks on our paper pad subscription in May. Last year our patriotic papers were such a big hit, and I know this month you're gonna love it. Can I just say pugs? Okay. It's just super cute. All right, so I want to dig into the paper pad here. It's called Sweet Strawberries. We have coordinating ephemera. And then this month we have a few add-ons. So I'm going to reveal 2 add-ons today. So we're going to have another ephemera pack. It's just got some more images. So if this first pack isn't enough for you and you need another one, grab the add-on. It is just too adorable to pass up. And then we've got a Sweet Strawberry Basics Slimline paper pad. So there's 12 designs in here, 2 of each. This measures 3.5 by 8.5. And this is more of like basic prints. And this is your, just your yummy, beautiful prints, graphics, and then you can pair these up together. So cute. So you can also just pair this up with like plain cardstock, a gingham that you have in your stash or something like that. So let's dig in. Okay, so here is the first page. Isn't that gorgeous? So pretty. The strawberries are beautiful. We've got a page here on this really cute background with all these cute girls with little strawberry baskets. We've got a strawberry house. How cute is that? With little stone pathway. There's a strawberry stand that's selling fruit juice. We've got cups here full of like a strawberry sundae, and then this really nice pattern with the strawberries on top, and the green in here is so pretty. Here's a nice watercolor background with some strawberry jam and strawberry drinks, and then here's like a yellow background. We've got like circles and then those cute girls. And then we have a strawberry page here with the strawberry flowers. And then this one in little pots. So we've got like strawberry plants and flowers. This one we've got the little strawberry garden. And then this one we've got red and yellow little circles in the background on the pink. Oh, and there's white circles as well on that pink background. This one's full of the jam, the strawberry jam. It's just so cute. And then we are repeating designs, I think. Let's see. Yep, super, super cute. Love that, love it. So this ephemera here is the one that comes in the box. So the one with the little strip like this is the one that comes in the box. So let's go ahead and share all the pieces. It's a little border. Teresa did a little border. And then we've got a very cute little strawberry stand that sells fruit juice. So cute. We've got these cute girls. They're just adorable. That one's holding a strawberry basket. That one has its hand up. You could put like some little strawberry or something up there if you wanted to. Just fussy cut around the white, you know, so it doesn't have that white border. Let's grab all the little girls in this collection. So we've got them in different hair colors. See, that one's pulling a little wagon full of strawberries. So the girls come in different sizes. Some are holding things, some are just has the hand out so you can put whatever you want there. Let's see. I think that's all the girls in this pack. And then check out this huge strawberry house. Isn't that fun? Look at that strawberry house. It's got a little path. Super cute. And then here's a strawberry garden. Look at that, so cute. The hills in the background. So we've got a little cart so they can be like, you know, standing next to the cart. This strawberry jam looks very yummy. We've got little pots of strawberries. Look at that basket. Here's a lemonade or a strawberry aid. Strawberry juice. So cute. There's another one of that garden. Here's another girl in a smaller size. So we've got some strawberry hanging plants and florals. Pretty one in a pot. We've got a little drink that goes with that little pitcher. And then we've got some little loose strawberries. So we've got some that are more ripe. We've got the green ones that aren't quite ripe yet. And we've got some strawberries that are cut open. And that's just the inside of something, so that's not even anything that belongs in there. So cute. Look at all of that. So let's dig into the add-on pack, and then I'll share the slimline paper, and then let's create a quick little card. Okay, so for your add-on available for purchase, this will be under the Not Too Shabby shop section. So this add-on does not come in the box, so you'll have to head on over to the shop to purchase it. So I've included another strawberry house. I thought those were just too cute that you needed another one. And then this girl here, she's got the strawberry jam she's holding. So let's get this up there so you can see that better. Isn't that adorable? Let's see, this girl here is holding a basket. Here's a little floral cluster, little wagon, the stool with the little basket on top. Let's see, we've got this little scene here of the girl on the hill with the little strawberry garden sign. She's holding a basket. There's a little bow on the sign. Just too cute. This package has some cute little trees with little smiley faces. I thought these were adorable. Here's another little stool with a little strawberry plant, strawberry jam. This one has the little stones for a walkway. There's plenty of little single strawberries in here. Here's a little sign. Another little pot. Let's see, we've got a stand with the little basket and the drinks. Here's another one with the girl inside. She's got all her drinks for sale. Really cute. Here's another walkway. We've got a little fence. Here's a hill. You can kind of make your own little scene. You can put a girl on top of the hill, somewhere for her to stand. So cute. And then a bunch of these little like leaves and little flowers from the strawberry plant. Here's a little vine of strawberries. And then you get a bunch of strawberries in here. There's little ones, tiny ones. Just too cute. All right, so let's put this back in. Okay, so let's dig into this beautiful slimline paper. Ooh, look how gorgeous that is. The gold accents on here. Ooh, look at that, so pretty. Pretty polka dots. This is gorgeous. Love the gold accents in here. Look at that, so vibrant and beautiful. Look at that, outlined strawberries in white. Love this. So pretty. Now you can use this on an A2 size card. So this measures 3.5 by 8.5. So you can just cut this down and use that on one of your layers on your A2 size cards, if you didn't want to make it into a slimline card. So you have two options. This one has some writing in white. So, like a strawberry, life is sweet. Like a strawberry, like a basket with cute strawberries. It's very, very cute. And then look at this cute scene. Isn't that cute? You can just cut that down or just leave it, you know, make it slimline card, and there's your card. Put your sentiment up there. How cute is that? Okay, so I think I showed all the patterns in here. So you get two of each sheet. So there's 12 designs. Just so cute. So let's go ahead and make a quick card. And let's decide. I'm gonna pair up these two together. So I'm gonna decide which sheet I wanna use. I just love it, love it. Let's see, which one do I want to use on this one? I love this. So pretty. Oh my gosh. I really like this pattern here. So I'm going to pull this out. And I really like this one to go with the little drinks. She's just a tiny bit smaller, so I'm going to use that one. All right, I'm going to cut out some panels. Okay, so I got my layout. And I am just going to glue all of this down. I took my stitched rectangle, and I've created a few layers here. So I'm going to use my Barely Art glue, and I did restock the store with more Barely Art glue, so I have the mini size and the full size available. So I'm just going to center this, try to get that even on all sides. I'm going to take my next layer here and get some glue on there. I'm going to put this towards the bottom, leaving a little frame. Try and get that frame even on all sides. Okay, so for the circle, I'm going to put that up towards the top. So it's kind of in the center. Now I can add a piece of paper right here so it's even, so it doesn't dip down. So I'm just gonna glue that down right here in the center. That way when I glue this, it's nice and flat. Now let's make sure I got this in the center. So I like using the liquid glue because I can wiggle it around if I get something not right. Okay, so this is gonna go here. And then I'm gonna have my girl down a little bit. I'm gonna pop her up. I'll glue this one flat down. And then we'll add some foam to the back of her. Isn't she adorable? Okay, let's pop her down here. That is just too adorable. And I definitely want to decorate the inside. So I'm going to add this right down at the bottom, leaving a little border. And then add a little strawberry to tie it all in. Just so cute. And then we've got our space right here to write a message. That just turned out so adorable. I can add some enamel dots. I always like to add something sparkly. Or we have our Let's Get Cool collection sparkle dots from our April quarterly release. So if you missed that, you can still pick up the products. They're available under the N2S Shabby section. They are beautiful summer products. And when you spend $60, you get this for free. It's also available for purchase. So I'm going to use this pink. It's perfect. It matches perfectly. So I'm going to sprinkle these around. Just got to think about where I want them. I'll do 3 of them. There we go. Isn't that so cute? So I will see you guys tomorrow for another peek. Come back tomorrow at 1 p.m. Central Time, and I'll have a new video up for you with a new reveal. Thanks so much for stopping by, guys, and I will see you real soon. Take care.